Boys and girls, today is Tuesday, May 5th. It's Cinco de Mayo. All right, here's our knock-knock joke. Knock, knock. Who's there? Lena. Lena who? Lean a little closer and I'll tell you. Lean a little closer and I'll tell you. So Lena is a name. Lean a little closer and I'll tell you. And I'm going to say exclamation mark. All right. The puzzle of the day is another Sudoku puzzle. And remember, we can only have the numbers 1 through 4 in each row, in each column, and each box. All right, so I see some places that look pretty easy to fill in. Look, this row has 1, 2, 3. So we know 4 goes here. And then this column has 1, 4, and 2. So we know that 3 will go there. So that box is all filled. Now we need to do a little bit of thinking because we only have places with 2 spots left. This box, this box, this box all have 2. And each column that's left has 2. And each row that's left has 2. So let's just take a guess. What if we put the number 1? What if we put the number 1 right here? Would that work? The number that's left is a 2. I'm just guessing here. That means we'd have to put a 1 here. So that would work because that way there's a 1 there. See how you just kind of guess and see if it's going to work? I'm not sure yet. 4, 2, 1, or 4, 2, 3. That means we'd need a 1 there. And that means we'd need a 3 there. Oh, that was totally guessing. So that's how you do it. You just kind of take a guess and try filling the number in and see if it works. Make sure you use something erasable or else just give yourself some space to scribble out if you use a pen. All right. Now here's our morning work review. How much shorter, number 1, ready, go. How much shorter is line B than line A? So line A is 205 centimeters and line B is 178 centimeters. So let's see, if this were like a tape diagram and it was 205, and this one is 178, how much shorter is 178 centimeters than 205? So when we make a tape diagram, it's the same thing as a number bond. Our total is 205. We have 178 here, minus on the lines, plus in the middle. We circle our numbers. All right, so that means we need to subtract 178 from 205. Let's do it here where we have some space. Hundreds, tens, ones. We're going to build 205. There's 2 hundreds, no tens, and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we need to subtract 178. So we always start with our ones, subtracting 8. We can't subtract 8 from 5. And we can't unbundle a 10 because there isn't one there. So we need to first unbundle 100, bring them over, line them up nice and straight. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tens inside 100. And now we can unbundle one of those tens, bring them over to the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have enough ones to subtract 8 ones. So let's cross them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left. Now we need to subtract 7 tens from our tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 2 tens left. I'm going to write that 2 right there. And then we need to subtract 100. We have 0 hundreds left, but we don't write the number 0 when there is 0 at the beginning of a number. We just leave it. So we have 27. 27 centimeters would go right here. 178 centimeters is 27 centimeters shorter than 205 centimeters. All right, number 2, ready, go. Which 2 words have the same vowel sound as fly? Pie. I hear I in fly, and I hear I in pie, so there's one of them. B is furry. E, that doesn't say I, so it's not furry. Mine, fly, mine. They both have I, and let's just double check. Flat, that's not it. So those pie and mine both have the same vowel sound as fly. Number 3, ready, go. Geo has 27 books. Brandon has 31. How many books do they have together? So we need to find out our total. So here is our number bond. We don't have the total. We want to find it out. We know that Geo has 27. We know that Brandon has 31. Minus on the lines, plus in the middle. We circle our numbers. So that means we're going to add 27 and 31. So one way to do that would be vertically, putting our divider between for our, just like in our place value chart, adding the ones, we have 8. Adding the tens, we have 5. The other way is similar, hundreds, tens, ones, because we will build the numbers. Here's our addition wavy line. 27, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. 2 tens and 7 ones is 27, plus 31. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 1. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones, and then 2 tens, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens. So the answer, the total, is 58. 2 different ways to solve that problem. Number 4, ready, go. How could you best combine these sentences? I walk to school. I walk slowly. I can think of a way to make it really short. I walk to school slowly. And this is an example of an adverb. This word describes how I walk. So that makes it an adverb because it describes a verb. It says how I walk. All right, our poem song of the day is on the next page. And we're still talking about landforms, and this is a glacier. There's a cool picture there that you can color. And here is the glacier, sung to the tune of the Itsy Bitsy Spider. A glacier is a river of ice that's made of snow. It's heavy, large, and thick, and it travels very slow. It moves across the ground, and it carves away the land. It leaves a U-shaped valley. A glacier shapes the land. So I think you got that. You'll probably sing it a little better than me. You can also say it. Do that 2 or 3 times.